We are only a few days away of one of our most important and toughest races of the year, the Daytona 24 Hours. BMW Motorsport has won 2 times with the M8 GTE, and I will now be joined by Connor Di Filippi, one of the winning drivers. Hey Connor, how are you? Can you hear me?
Hi Marcus, yes I can hear you. Doing well, how are you?
Great, thank you. Until recently, I was actually hoping that I could physically be in Daytona with you, the team and the M8 GTEs, for another Rolex 24 victory. But unfortunately, the current situation means that I can only be with you in spirit. But I and the rest of the BMW M Motorsport team will be watching and cheering from Munich.
Thank you. Well, we've won the race 2 years in a row now, so now we're going for the three-peat. I know we've done a lot of great work in the off-season, and we have our goals set high. We'll be doing our best to bring BMW M another victory.
That's great to hear. Best of luck for the race. Well, there's one more thing. I believe you are on your way to Daytona right now, right? And you could be stopping in South Carolina at the BMW Performance Center. So I asked my team to send you a little surprise. It's actually the very first M5 CS we built for the United States. Are you interested in jumping in and taking a few laps?
Well, I have the keys here to the M5 CS, the new piece of machinery that you and everybody have built back in Munich. It looks fantastic and I'm looking forward to getting it on track. I would say the first thing I'm impressed with is, wow, the power, the torque, the agility of this car. I mean, the M5 and the M5 competition were already remarkable machines. And all the details that they've put into this CS is just insane. And the second thing I noticed, I never realized how big of a difference materials can be. I mean, this Alcantara wheel, the feeling it gives in your hands, it just feels like a race car. The feedback that you get from these carbon bucket seats really transforms, in my opinion, the entire feeling of this car. All the way to redline. The boys in Munich at BMW M, they have outdone themselves on this one. Let me just say that right now.